Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to lift a car. I'm gonna go through all the 4 easy steps how to lift a car with the glue and with our tabs. This is the tab that Camoto have. As you see, no chain, no steel, no welding, nothing, just plastic tabs. We're gonna glue it here and we're gonna lift the car with it. So I'm gonna go through the process. First of all, I'm gonna clean the panel where I need to pull with the cross member. I put alcohol on both. I clean with the clean rag. I do the same thing here. Now I'm gonna apply some glue. You see the humidity here? It's very important to remove that. Do the same thing here. Now we need to apply the glue. I put in the middle first, and whatever left I put on both sides. So now I just press a little bit, not much. I need the glue to stay between the tabs and the bar here. The glue have to be, the thickness of the glue have to be between 1 to 3 millimeter thickness. There we go. Now we have to wait 3 minutes before we pull. But look at the tab, brand new.